Yes, people, clips like this and the even better ones await you in today's episode. I know, hard to believe, right? Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features only the craziest moments caught on biker's camera. Today, we prepared a special episode for you guys, because you will have the privilege to watch the best of when bikers fight back moments. Brace yourselves for this cool episode and sit back so you won't miss a thing. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway.
Also, you're not allowed to ride those.
No, I was coming to check on you because I circled back around and I saw your car was still...
In this video, we have an angry and a jealous neighbor who was mad just because the biker had a more popular YouTube account than him. Instead of focusing on himself and doing his own thing, this Darren of a neighbor purposely provoked the biker, and the situation escalated really fast.
Boy, you're just... I know why nobody with you.
I will fight you right now.
You sound like a drunk piece of...
Dude, your wife's full of titty.
Oh, that's so funny, Jason. You're hilarious. You should be a comedian.
Funny. I feel bad for you.
Okay, Jason, you're hilarious, Jason. Jason's so funny. Now I know why nobody hangs out with you. Now I know why Jason has no life. Jason's mad because social media didn't work out for him. Jason's the biggest... Jason, you won't... Jason, you won't... You loser.
Where you at right now?
Mentally...
You liar.
Are you mentally... Are you mentally... Are you mentally... Jason? Is Jason mentally retarded?
We have it all recorded.
Jason is... I've been recording this too. I've recorded it since the first time you called me and threatened me.
The phone argument lasted for quite a while, but that's not all. True shock came when the guy who threatened the biker came over to his camp. I won't spoil you much for now, but let's just say that a lot of things happened.
Is that all you got, dude? Is that all you got, dude? You got? Jason, you can't get under my skin, dude. I'm the king of this. Okay, I'm the king of this. That's why I'm laughing at you, dude. That's why I'm laughing at you, and you're getting mad because you're... No, Jason Gorman, I'm tough. I'll beat you up. Ooh.
You're about to witness a failed attempt of trying to belittle someone. Check this out.
We would just like to know, like, how you guys deal with the NomadMoto, the YouTuber that disrespects all the swim that resides here.
Look how fat you are! Dude, shut up, dude. Look at that belly, dude. Look at that belly. What you gonna do?
You say you sent me 30 messages saying you want to fight?
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Try to mace me. You sent 30 messages.
Go ahead. Get out of
You sent 30 messages wanting me to come up here and fight.
Why you here, dude?
Because you wanted to fight me.
Look at you, fat.
Look at you.
Did you put that shirt on when you came here purposely?
30 messages saying come fight you.
Do something. Hey, you came here to stop me, dude. Do something. His wife's in love with me. His wife loves me. Shut up. Shut the up. Shut up.
Dude, this guy on YouTube.
Oh, dude, this guy on YouTube? Look at him. Look at him. Look at that belly, dude. You're pathetic. Let me zoom in on that belly. Let me zoom. Look, squib.
Pulled out me.
As expected, the guy came over with a phone in his hand, and his intentions were as clear as broad daylight. He just wanted to provoke the biker into assaulting him so he could sue him later on. Unfortunately for this Darren, the biker was not born yesterday, and he saw through his intentions.
He didn't do.
Look at that belly, dude.
Look at him.
Look at that belly.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Look at that belly, dude.
Look at him.
Look at that belly.
He didn't do. He didn't do.
Boy.
Come on. Come at me.
Do it again.
So now you're dead.
You just came at me. I got on camera.
No, I didn't.
Belly.
He didn't do.
Look, boy.
I
got on
right
camera.
here.
I got on camera.
Miss.
Check this out, man. Check this out, man.
There you go. You didn't do.
Check this out, man. Check this out, man.
Do it again. There you go.
Why are you here? You come here yourself?
Check this out, man. Check this out, man.
There you go. Call the cops.
Right on, Jason.
I wanted to like lap around it and see what was going on, but as soon as I saw that there's somehow a light on inside of it, I'm like, nope, that is not for me, not today, Satan.
I don't know about you guys, but I immediately got strange and creepy vibes as soon as I saw this woman just standing there in the forest. There's just something creepy about the woods and people in them, but this biker was really interested in solving the mystery. Let's check this one out together.
And I don't know what this car's doing. How's it going? But yeah, I don't know what that guy's doing. It's kind of creeping me out because that lady was standing at the top of the stairs. I don't know if you guys can see in my rear view right now, but the lady was standing at the top of the stairs and was almost like a bunch of clothes at the top of the stairs. That car was like creeping up real slow and I thought they were waiting for like me to do something. Maybe if I go back here, because that's another trail. All right, let's do another quick little lap and come back and see if his car is still there. It's probably nothing, but kind of stressing me out, honestly.
Biker made a few laps around to check if he could see someone, or perhaps talk to. After all, the eerie feeling he's getting from this won't go away until he confirms everything is okay.
Save the freaking day. Wait, is that the guy? Oh, this is where the car was. So that's where the car is. Was that guy wearing blue? There's definitely just a guy there. And it's weird that it seems like he turned around when he saw me. Am I making all of this up in my head? Am I schizophrenic? I was gonna take out my phone and check my GoPro, but then I just heard a tree crack. He just threw a tree branch. What is going on? I'm for sure going over there, if for no other reason than to just find out what he's doing. I got a knife on me. If worse comes to worse, I will him. Why do I not see him now? Everything okay?
So you're not allowed to ride those anymore.
No, I was coming to check on you because I circled back around and I saw your car was still there.
Yeah. So thank you for checking.
Yeah.
Do you live in Bay Ridge or in Annapolis Cove?
Oh no, that doesn't matter. I was just, because when I came by there was some lady that was standing there and then I saw your car was still there and I just got weird vibes, so I was making sure everything was okay.
Really appreciate it. It 100% matters.
Yeah.
This is private property. You're not allowed to be here.
Yeah.
You certainly can't do that.
I was checking on you. We're not going to turn this around. I didn't just come back here for fun. I was trying to make sure everything was okay. I got some weird vibes because there was like the lady that was walking back here and then your car was still there and I'm like, are they okay? Like, what's going on here?
Yeah, so there's two parts to this. There's you checking on me, which I really appreciate, but you're trespassing on private property. So we get our...
This guy told the biker that he's trespassing here and that this is private property, but red flags are everywhere. If it's private property, he should have set up some sign first. The way he's talking as well is creepy. It almost feels like he's carefully choosing the words and steering away from the topic.
Unless you live in Bay Ridge.
I totally get that.
So if you could respect that, that would be great.
Yeah, I'm headed out now. It's one of those things where if somebody had to call the cops on me and I had to explain to them that I did it to make sure that somebody else was safe, I'll take that ticket all day, you know? But it's not something I do normally. All right, have a good one. Glad everything's okay.
Lady pulled out in front of the biker without bothering to check first. A big mistake. A really big mistake that's about to cost her. We don't know what exactly led to this heated road rage. Biker arrived just on time, and when the situation was at the boiling point. One driver blocked off the entrance with his vehicle, and he created a mess while still arguing. Crazy scenes.
तो भाई यहाँ पे हो गया रोड रेज ओ भाई ये देखो, ऐसे ही पायलट रहते भाई हमारे यहाँ, रिक्शा वालों से कभी पंगा नहीं। देखा ना अभी कैसा यूटर्न मारा उसने।
Every year, we have some bad accidents on the roads caused by text and drive drivers. Instead of tackling the problem and raising the awareness about the dangers of phone usage in traffic, we get these kinds of responses by self-entitled people.
You're on the phone, man.
Keep going. What I am, man.
Mate, it's alright, mate. It's alright, mate. Weekend, mate. Alright, mate. I think that guy just was so angry, but I was just like, yeah, Friday. You gotta fucking yell at me. Yeah, YOLO. You just go on the internet. So, here you go. He wanted to be internet famous, I guess.
In this situation right here, the biker got nearly taken out by a crazy driver who jumped the red light, and when the biker turned around to confront him about it, this guy had the audacity to yell as if the biker was at fault and not him.
You jumped right, you
Wieso?
Das heisst, een kring bekommst du richtig.
Lecker?
Weil du dann nachher eine dumme Schnorre haben beim Durchfahren.
Du hast mir gar nichts gesagt.
Nein, ich habe nichts gehört.
Ja, gar nichts gesagt.
Das hat ja nicht umgekehrt jetzt.
Ja, der hat so gemacht.
Ja, ist nur der sicher Seite.
Ja, wieso?
Frag nicht blöd, sonst zieht der Helm doch noch ab. Ob der Film ist oder nicht.
This strange guy is just standing there in the middle of the road, and when the biker tried to pass him by, he even threw something at the biker. The situation didn't end there, because the biker wanted to know the reason for why he was acting that way.
What the fuck?
Just cross the road, nothing happened, man. Nothing serious. What's going on? Just... Oh man, forget it, it's fine, man. You can cross, mate. Nothing happened. That's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Leave it. Oh, no man, just forget it. It's just some idiots. Don't.
This rude driver ran a red light and he cut right in front of the biker. But boy oh boy, are you mistaken if you think that this is just another close call. Check out what the biker did.
É soltar a graça aí, velho. Tu quer soltar a graça aí? Tu quer soltar a graça aí, arrombado?
Tu furar sinal. Tu furar sinal. Ai, né? Vai tomando.
Driver got impatient and entered the oncoming lane while there were still two bikers there. And this is how it all ended.
I smacked the mirror.
What the f? You weapon! You weapon! You're in the bus lane all the way down there, then you don't use mirrors! You!
And we ended up coming up on this car that
Two bikers had to lock their rear wheel because one reckless driver was changing lanes without looking. Of course, this situation was inches away from the biker's visit to the hospital, and they made sure to pay the driver back for the stress he caused on the road.
whoa. No. Be careful, ladies and gentlemen. That was nearly two bikers taken out.
The driver was way too close to the biker for no reason, and he even passed him on the inside, nearly causing the biker to fall over. Boy oh boy, did the biker get upset about that. Just wait and prepare yourselves for the storm that's about to come.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
That was wrong. That was so wrong.
Yes, but it made me feel.
Rainy roads are dangerous for bikers as they are, and the danger only amplifies if a biker comes across a reckless driver who cuts in front of him without looking. This time around, the biker didn't crash, but he had to teach this driver a valuable lesson. With this clip, we conclude another epic episode of Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like, because that will really mean a lot. While you're at it, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next episode, ride safe and stay safe, guys.